Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to clean the C drive in Windows 11. Now the first thing you want to do is come to the search box here and search out for disk cleanup. It should auto populate like that once you've typed disk into best match at the very top, so let's select it here. Now you want to select your drive. As we want to clean up C, let's select C and press OK. It'll calculate the disk cleanup for you. Now here are all the files we can clean up, and you can select each individual one. And as you can see in the bottom right hand corner here, this will clean up 2.95 GB of data. These are all temporary files which are not needed. So all you need to do once you've selected them is press OK, and it'll say, are you sure? Then all we need to do is select delete files. It will then go through the process of deleting them files for you and completely clean up the C drive in Windows 11. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.